Hi everyone, Jack from Capable here, and today I'm going to show you one of the projects we've been working on, which is a workflow solution for Monday.com, which allows you to create workflows in Monday.com, which add a bit of structure and guidance to your Monday.com boards. So let's take a look. So here I have my Monday.com workspace, and right now I don't have any products installed. And I'm going to install Capable first. So up here, you can see the Monday Marketplace item. And if I click here, and what you're going to do, you're going to search for workflow. And ours is this nice flashy icon here, the Workflow Hub by Capable. And what we can do here is we can add this to our site. And here you've got the option to actually start with a template or start with your own. So in this case, I'm going to start with the template. And we're just going to select my workspace there. And what you're going to see is we've got a brand new Monday.com board all set up with our Capable workspace examples. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to this workflow tab, or you can actually configure this status column. So for example, we could edit these labels, and these labels are going to be what we use in our workflow. So we could say one of them could be sent to legal, just for example here. And I can move this around. And as you can see, we've set up our statuses here. And these are going to be the statuses that are actually used in the workflow. So here you can see the Workflow Hub Workflow Editor tab. And as you can see, it's picked up all of our statuses from our status column. And we can click Edit Workflow. And from here, we can actually change the column we're using or actually rename the workflow name here. So what you can do is click Edit Workflow. And from here, you can rearrange your statuses exactly how you'd like them. So you can arrange these however you'd like, and this is going to actually be saved, and you can zoom in and out using the feature here. And what we can do from here is actually set up the states, so that's these. And we can also set up the transitions between these states. I will go ahead and add a few more transitions here. So there you go. I've created a nice workflow. It's a simple one, but you can see that this could be made more complex according to your needs. And I'm going to click Save. And you can see in the Activity tab that we're saving the information about when these workflows are edited and who by. And now what we can do is actually see this in action on our board. So if we jump back to our main board here, and now that we're back on our board and I've created a new item, you can see that because we used the template to get started here, we've actually already got the item views set up. So for example, up here, if you didn't use the template, you would add the Workflow Hub app from here. And in the item view, if you haven't already got this, you need to click the plus add view and explore new views. But in our case, we've already got this set up. So what the Workflow Hub lets you do once you've set up your workflow and your statuses is you can actually see here on the right, we can click on an item and we can see that currently it has no status. And the available transitions from here are to working on it. And we can also see the description and the name down here that we chose for that step. So in this case, let's click Start Work. You can see it changes the status. And now we can see that once we're in the working on it, there's 3 different stages we can go to. So let's try them out. So I'm going to say I'm stuck. And now from stuck, there's one option, which is to resume work. And if we send it to legal, we should also, again, have just the one option to mark that legal work as complete. And finally, we can click finish work, which will put it into that final step, which doesn't have any options to go from. And I think the real power of this product is that you can signpost these steps and explain to your staff exactly what needs to be done to move it into that next status, and yeah, make it really clear, what are the available options here. So it makes it really easy in Monday.com to get your staff to understand your processes. And because it's so extensible and editable, you can set this up for a number of, however complex you'd like it to be. So that's it for today. And we'd love to hear what you think or any improvements you think we could make to this product to make it really work for your team. Until next time.